This morning on our series Extreme Beauty, Leech therapy. Is it for real? CBS News correspondent Michelle Miller takes a look.
Just a week ago, I was in Austria doing a cleanse, and part of the treatment was leech therapy.
Really? Leech? Actual...
Leeches.
Like the blood-sucking...
Yes, detoxifies the blood. I'm feeling very detoxified right now.
But is Demi's claim of leech therapy really one of the reasons she looks so good at 46? We went to the experts at the Continuum Center for Health and Healing to find out.
People come here for leech therapy for primarily osteoarthritis of the joints, primarily the knee.
So it's good for arthritis?
Osteoarthritis, that's right.
Not a great beauty treatment?
No, there's so many other things that are really great beauty treatments, and I would say leech therapy would not be indicated for that.
Since I've had knee surgery and have early signs of osteoarthritis, Dr. Nielsen decided that I was a great candidate for leech therapy, which is clinically proven to reduce pain.
Hey.
Hi! Oh.
And we were ready for the first of two to be attached.
So what you'll feel is a little pinch. And this one's on.
He bit me?
He's in the process.
Ooh! Ouch! Ouch! That hurt! That hurt! That hurt! He's in. He's really in now. That's never happened.
After just a few pinches, the first successfully latched on. So we moved on to the second.
Come on, baby. Looking at it? It's not pretty. What I do for the job.
But they have a real medicinal purpose. When it latches on, it not only serves to thin your blood, but it also donates numerous peptides and a natural painkiller, creating an anti-inflammatory effect.
And they will eat for a period of time till they get full, and then they'll fall off like they would in nature.
So we waited, and waited, and waited. And about an hour later...
Here he goes, here he goes.
He's just gonna fall off, right?
The second wasn't far behind. An hour and a few leeches later, I should feel a lot less pain for at least 6 months.
I'm just gonna lay down now.
You can rest.
I can rest.
Michelle Miller, CBS News, New York.
What a trooper. Michelle Miller joining us now. Ariane Nielsen, Director of Acupuncture at Beth Israel's Department of Integrative Medicine. She performs leech therapy. Good morning, Ariane.
Good morning.
So here we see the leeches skinny because they're not engorged with anybody's blood. Harry and I both wanted you to put one on our hand, but you said you can't do that. Why?
Well, leeches are a medical device, and there's risk of infection, so we offer a prophylactic antibiotic the day of and the day after leech therapy.
So not just anybody can come in and do this.
No, and leeches, they're really not a spa treatment. It's a medical treatment done in hospitals and clinics.
So what do you think about Demi Moore's claim that she went to Austria, they put him on her belly button, and she detoxed?
Well, to say someone detoxes presumes they're toxic in the first place.
Well, you know, but sometimes you feel like you could use a little detox.
Yeah, there's better ways to do it probably than risking an infection with leech therapy. There are medical indications post-operatively for blood congestion and for osteoarthritis, and there's good medical study on that. There's no medical study on leeches for detoxification or for beauty.
So you think that there's absolutely no use for leeches as a beauty regimen or beauty treatment?
It would be considered old school, like bloodletting is old school, and there are health benefits to bloodletting, but what we would recommend is donate blood seasonally. It's good for you and it's good for the person you donate it to.
That's a better way to clean your blood.
Absolutely.
So the FDA did approve this, whoop, it fell off, for medical use in 2004. What kind of people come to your office to get this done?
We're primarily offering leech therapy for osteoarthritis of the joint, so that's, thumbs, fingers, wrists, shoulders,
Those
knees,
are all the
hips.
places where you put the leeches? And as we saw with Michelle, it could take a while. They become engorged with the blood.
They do.
And then is the effect immediate? Will you feel better immediately?
Usually a patient feels within 3 days a change in the joint, and then up to 6 months to a year, they have benefit of pain relief and increased mobility.
Is it expensive?
Our clinic charges $600 for a session, but again, leeches are not used in a spa anywhere that we've been able to search or find out. And I think in the Demi piece, she talked about being at a spa, but doing leech therapy off-site.
Right. Oh, okay. So very quickly, we saw the leeches get engorged with blood when Michelle Miller did it. What happens after they digest it?
Yeah, in nature they would squirm into some mucky place and sleep. They don't need to eat for another 6
They're
months.
nice and full.
Yeah, they don't need to eat for 6 months
So
to
you
a
can't
year.
reuse the leeches for 6 months?
No, we don't. We're supposed to euthanize the leeches. I usually put them in the fridge and let them go to sleep.
All right. Well, these guys are still kicking because they haven't latched on. So,
Well, they
thank
won't
you.
latch on through the glove,
Through the
so
glove,
you're
right.
safe. Yep.
All right, Aria Nielsen, thanks.
It's a pleasure.
Appreciate it. To go get more information about leeches and our other extreme beauty treatments we've brought you this week, go to earlyshow.cbsnews.com.